welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to cover two small parts, and that is first, how can you change the group of a particular, or change in the sense update group of a particular customer, and how can you change the loan type. Loan type is the product. For example, personal, business, these are all the loan types. Say by mistake, a lot of times during training I have got this question that comes up. Say today by mistake I create a loan and I have given it a type as personal, but actually it is business. Can we modify the loan type? Yes, you can do it, and I can show you how we can do it in Jainam Software. First, what you do is you're going to search for the customer. Okay, so this is the customer. Now how can you change the group of the customer? Just, can you see this pencil icon? Just click here, and here you can change this to say and update. Okay, this is going to change the group of the customer. Okay, group of the customer has changed. Now how can you change the loan type for any customer? For example, if I go to passbook and let me check, I have one loan here, and I click here on this loan. This loan is actually created as a personal loan, but say it was by mistake created as personal loan. So there is no need to delete this loan and recreate it. You can just edit, and you can just say this is a business loan and update it. Okay, now you can see that loan number 35 is a business loan. This is a business loan. So friends, this is actually a very small video to show you these how can you modify the loan type and the group of the particular customer. Thank you friends so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.